Judge, I think she wants to
All right.
address the court.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roxanne Hutchinson.
All right, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
Judge scolds Roxanne for not prioritizing her son, despite a pending CPS case. Roxanne tearfully asks for treatment over prison.
Roxanne, let me just tell you, I have none of those files. That's why I always say, if your name hasn't been called, it's because I don't have the files. This is all I have. So, if you tell them to pull it.
I think they turned them in a long time ago, Judge. I've been waiting.
No, I'm telling you, this is all I have. Let me just tell you what I have. I have Joshua Alcaraz, Roxanne Hutchinson.
Yeah, that's her. And Adam Keith is a discovery.
No, I don't have Adam Keith.
The courtroom opens with confusion over missing case files. Roxanne Hutchinson, a young mother, stands accused of violating probation tied to a previous unlawful weapon conviction. She quietly confirms her identity as the judge prepares to revisit her community supervision conditions.
All right, Roxanne Hernandez.
Hutchinson.
I'm sorry, Hutchinson.
So I believe you have Adam Keith, Judge.
Yeah. I go with what I have. That's why when people are sitting and they're staring at me, I'm like, why are they staring at me? I'm like, I don't have anything. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007-949, State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for the state. We got from the defense.
And are you Roxanne Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to revoke community?
Roxanne pleads true to violating her probation by committing theft. She faces up to 10 years in prison. The court considers continuing her probation but imposing stricter conditions, including an intensive cognitive treatment track and supervision hoping to steer her toward long-term recovery.
Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke with your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Roxanne Hutchinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 007-949 for the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction for 7 years on November 7th, 2024? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. Are proceeding with violation of condition number 1 on or about the 19th day of February 2025.
Probation officials confirm Roxanne's only completed requirement was providing a DNA sample. She'd also last reported in May 2025. The judge questions her failure to complete parenting classes and secure employment. Roxanne's lawyer explains she's in a CPS plan to regain custody of her son.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Roxanne Hutchinson, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
And up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your violation of condition number 1 in your plea of true?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true.
The judge is visibly frustrated. Roxanne had a child to fight for, yet picked up a new theft charge during an open CPS case. With broken trust and a long record, the judge questions why she should honor the probation deal and prepares to revoke it.
Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it would involve the following case, which there's plea paperwork before the court for the same defendant.
Yes.
The state probation and believe defense's recommendation is to continue probationer on this probation in cause number 2024 CR 007-949, but to amend conditions to now include state ISF cognitive track followed by ISP. And probation did make a note upon disposition of pending cases, the plea paperwork on cause number. Well, I see at 2025 AL 0028.
Roxanne takes the stand. She's been sober from heroin for 9 months, but admits she kept hanging around the same toxic people. I was still doing what an addict does, she says. Her voice cracks as she begs for treatment, not time behind bars.
62, there's a cause number I don't see right now, but those conditions would also reflect and run concurrent with this cause number.
All right, what has she done on probation?
The only thing that Ms. Hutchison has done on probation has been to provide her DNA sample as required.
She was recording, sorry.
She was reporting. She reported last May 7th of 2025.
She had been reporting previous to that as well.
Right. I'm saying her last reporting is on that day.
All right, so here's my question.
The judge rejects the leniency proposal. People don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses, she says. The motion to revoke probation is granted. Roxanne now faces sentencing not only for the theft, but under repeat felony enhancements.
Has she done her parenting classes? All right. Did she obtain employment?
Judge, if I may
Yes.
inform the court, she was doing the parenting classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan because she's trying to get her child back through CPS. So she's doing the CPS classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. So she's going through CPS. So she has a CPS plan. So she's doing her parenting classes through CPS.
All right, so how long has the CPS case been open? Was it open before this case?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't understand why the court has received the new number one. She knows she has a CPS case.
Roxanne pleads guilty to theft with prior convictions, which enhances her charge to a third-degree felony. The judge confirms she understands her rights, the maximum penalty, and the fact this sentence could run up to 10 years in prison. Roxanne quietly agrees.
But she's picking up a new charge and she's not following through with the conditions of the court. I don't understand why I should follow the agreement to continue her.
Judge, I think she wants to
All right.
address the court.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roxanne Hutchison.
All right, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
Hey, I know it doesn't reflect in the probation report or whatever, but since then I've kicked heroin. I've been sober for 9 months. I do admit that the issue wasn't me just getting sober. I got sober, but I was still doing.
The court accepts Roxanne's guilty plea. Based on her past felony convictions and her repeated failures on probation, the state recommends a 4-year prison sentence. Roxanne accepts, and the judge explains it will run concurrently with her earlier revoked probation case.
The same things that an addict does. I was hanging around the same people. I didn't change my surroundings or my friends. So I continued to do the same things. I'm just asking for a chance to get treatment and not go to prison. I do have a 4-year-old son that I'm fighting for.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses. I'm not following the agreement that you all have reached on this motion to revoke. I'm going to grant the motion revoke. Does anybody want to speak to time? She's looking at a maximum of 10 years.
Judge, we need to confirm.
All right, sure.
Roxanne's sentencing includes restitution fees, no contact with the theft victim, and a recommendation for a therapeutic community in prison. She confirms her understanding of appeal, waivers, and felony restrictions. Her face is somber but composed as her fate is sealed.
A few moments later.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 005153 State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. Can I have the parties announced for the record, please?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Richard Gossett for defense.
And are you Ms. Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Hutchinson, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Ms. Hutchinson, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
As she's led away, the courtroom falls silent. The judge's earlier words echo, "You may not think your actions matter, but from this bench, I see the damage." Roxanne's last glance reveals a mix of resignation and regret. A mother, a mistake, a prison sentence.